Most people don't fail at acting. They just never get real training. They chase confidence, they chase talent, they even chase fame, but none of that works without fundamentals. This series is about training. Acting Class 101 is for people who want to act, but honestly don't know where to start. This isn't about chasing fame, and it's definitely not about mastering Shakespeare on day one. It's about the fundamentals. The real stuff every working actor actually uses. I'm James Adam Tucker. I've been acting, directing, and coaching for over 35 years. And what I've learned is this: confidence doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from training. In this series, I'm breaking things down in a practical way. No fluff, no mystery, just clear tools. How to warm up your voice, how to break down a scene, how to walk into an audition and not fall apart. Whether you've never taken an acting class before or you just want to sharpen what you already have, Acting Class 101 is your weekly training ground. Think of it like a front row seat to a real acting workshop, without the fees and without the awkward icebreakers.